Hello and welcome to class 12th chapter 2 inverse trigonometric function. In the last video we learned about domain and range of trigonometric function and inverse trigonometric function both. If you have not seen it, kindly go through it first and then watch this video. So today we will discuss properties of inverse trigonometric functions or composition of function. Let's say student, I have taken a function sine theta from r to -1, 1 in closed interval and another function which is sine inverse from -1, 1 to -π/2, π/2 in closed interval. Now listen and watch very carefully, student. There is difference between sine of sine inverse theta equal to theta and sine inverse sine theta equal to theta. So first we will see sine of sine inverse theta equal to theta. Here, student, this sine inverse theta is the angle of sine function. So the sine of sine inverse theta is always equal to theta when this theta belongs to -1, 1 in closed interval. Means when we solve sine of sine inverse theta, and I have told you that this sine inverse theta is the angle of sine. So this theta is always belongs to -1, 1, which is the range of sine function. Now student, sine inverse of sine theta equal to theta. It is possible only when this theta belongs to -π/2, π/2 in closed interval. Now in this case, student, this sine theta is angle of sine inverse function. Here this theta belongs to -π/2, π/2, which is the range of sine inverse function. I hope now you clearly understand difference between the two. So I have made a table of property 1, that is sine inverse sine theta equal to theta, cos inverse cos theta equal to theta, tan inverse tan theta equal to theta, and so on. This condition is true only when theta belongs to these ranges as given in the video. So now come to first question, which is sine inverse sine π/3. Now student, as we know the property that sine inverse sine theta is always equal to theta, where theta belongs to -π/2, π/2. And on evaluating it, sine inverse sine π/3 will be equal to theta, means π/3, and clearly we can see that this π/3 lies between the range of -π/2, π/2. Then our answer is π/3. Now come to second question. Here sine inverse sine 2π/3 equal to what? We have to evaluate this. Now student, in this question we clearly see that 2π/3 does not belong to the range of -π/2, π/2. So we have to make this 2π/3 lie in the range of -π/2, π/2. Now on solving 2 into π/3, we get 120 degree. And as I have told you in class 11th also, that what is law of reflection. This is the easiest method to find the principal value of any trigonometric function. Now as you can see that 2π/3 equal to 120, and this 120 is reflected at 60 degree, which lies in first quadrant. Now this 60 degree in radian is π/3. Now this π/3 lies between -π/2, π/2. So we can write sine inverse sine π/3 equal to π/3. Now student, there is another method also to solve this question, where we will reduce this 2π/3 by subtracting it with 180 degree. Sine 2π/3 can also be written as sine pi minus π/3, and we know that sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine inverse sine π/3 is again π/3. So from both the method we get π/3.
And thank you so much. This is Vaibhav Upadhyay signing you off.